it's Leash Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I am a mom of 3 boys and I'm here to show you a little behind the scenes of how to be a mom. And today we are just a few days away from Valentine's Day, so I figured I would give you guys a video with a quick and easy idea for your kids' Valentine's Day parties at school. So let's get started. The first idea are your basic Rice Krispie treats. And these can be bought pretty much at every store. I got these actually off of Amazon. It was a pack of 54 for like $16. And as you can see, these have a little heart and you can write a message directly onto them, or you can do what I'm doing. You can buy Valentines and write a message on the back, and then I just take like a little sticker and stick it right on the back there. And I mean, literally, this will take you a few minutes to do. My son's class that I'm using these for, he's in kindergarten and it's 30 of them. So this was something really quick, simple, and easy that I could just throw together for his class. I got the Valentines from Big Lots for $2.99. So $2.99 for a pack of 32, and then for a pack of 16 Rice Krispie treats. I'm sorry, 54 Rice Krispie treats for $16. You really can't beat that. Next, for my oldest son, he has a class of about 20 kids and he's in 2nd grade. So he didn't really want to bring candy or anything. So another idea that I had was to get these. And all of you moms out there, I'm not sure if you guys remember these from when we were younger, but they're slap bracelets. And basically, you just take one like that and slaps right on your wrist. And these are back in style now. The kids love them. So this is kind of like an idea if you don't want to get any treats or sugar for your kids' classroom. These are a really great idea. I also got these for about $16 from Amazon, and they come in a variety of styles for girls and boys. So if you can see here, we have the dinosaur one. There's heart ones for girls or boys. We have some animal print ones and some floral ones, basic smiley faces. So there's literally like a large variety, and it comes with like 40 or 50, I believe, of these for like $16. You can't beat that. And it also comes with the actual Valentine's Day card. And it comes with a baggie. So you can just literally put that in there. Not sure if the card fits. The card doesn't fit in there, but you seal it up, and then you can get you a piece of tape or something and tape it to the front. And that's really simple and easy too. So I just wanted to give you guys a few ideas. If you're last minute shopping for Valentine's Day, you know, it can be a lot trying to get stuff together, especially if you have multiple children. I have 3 kids, so I have 3 different classrooms that I have to buy stuff for. And yeah, this is just something simple and easy. A lot of schools are not allowing for you to bake any like cupcakes or anything like that on your own anymore. They want everything to be store-bought or pre-packaged. So that's why I figure the Rice Krispie treats are a really, really great idea for that. So yeah. Let me know in the comments below what you guys have planned for Valentine's Day, and make sure to like and subscribe. Also in the comments below, be sure to give me some ideas of videos that you would like to see next. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.